Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easy A this unit if you do have this unit. Trunks. Let's tap this guy. Super Saiyan Trunks Future. He can easy A or max break the limit. He can, as you can see, I'm already level 120. If you do an easy A, for you who are new to this game, it can up to 140 and super attack level 15. So what you need to do first is tap the start, go to the event and tap this one, Z battle, and this one, Heroic Warrior Gohan Future. I know. So the Trunks is easy A for this guy. Let's tap the information. In case you have this guy, you can easy A because this is his event, his main event. So you can easy A the Gohan first. But if you do not have this guy, the medals can awake to this guy. So this is awakening medals require for the Super Trunks, also is for Gohan. So as you can see, this is the change after easy A. The attack and defense is 150%, and this is greater raise attack and defense. I know it's not enough, but I think it's very usable in some event, not for red zone or not for other hard event. And this is exclusive for if you are face the androids or future saga category enemy. It can be very powerful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.